Kwa the mago mag chal kor lwasi nyakoro mga juang jaluja tatiye eba ngao mar kor lwasi pachoka David Koroso wacho ni Kodh El Nino maigeo ni dhi chwee pachoka chakre dwe ni mano marapar ok bedo mapek pimo gi Kodh El Nino mano chwee higa mar 1997 kod higa mar 2006. Olero ni Kodh no ok bi chwee kaka Kodh El Nino obiro mana bedo koth mapek moloyo koth mosebedo ka chwee thoth gwenge mathuka. Koroso wacho ni gisebedo ka gipimo pek mar Kodh no kendo nonro nyiso ni odhi bedo mapek ka igeno ni Kodh no biro chakore ndalo machuok mabiro. Okwayo piny owacho mamalo kod piny owacho mag counties mondo mi otiek chenro mag ikruok chon kapok Kodh no ochakore dwe ni.
So far from the El Nino, the threshold or the strength is not like the strength that we had in 1997 or 2006. So this one is not expected to the strength to be higher. So far from the observation, it is not as what we had in 1997, whereby now when we talk about El Nino, people normally just refer to what was there in 1997, and also referring to the impact which was there before. However, this one is not going to be so much in terms of the strength and destruction, but the rainfall is expected to be enhanced as all of those two elements. So we normally just monitor and we update. Yes, you are aware we issued that short rain season or the October, November, December rainfall for a couple of days or weeks. And we keep on updating by looking at the drivers. Are they changing? Are they strengthening further or what? Then we normally update by issuing the monthly forecast, the 7 days, the 5 days, the daily, and also the extreme weather, whereby when we see maybe a certain element is actually going beyond the threshold, we normally just issue warning.